Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit for Mazda CX7. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me open the box. This 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda. This harness and cables. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the harness. This special harness and this radio antenna for Mazda CX, CX-7. This radio antenna, this canvas decoder box, and this Mazda CX7 connector plug. This K1 and K2 do not need to connect because the 8+ steering wheel controls the steering wheel control decoder by canvas box, so K1 and K2 wires do not need to connect. Okay. There are two USB cable, long cable, two USB cable, and the external microphone. And this 4G SIM card slot. 4G SIM card slot. This camera input, IC type. This 4G antenna, you can check. And GPS antenna. And this USB cable, also USB cable. There are 3 USB cable, and AUX input left and right. This video input, IC type. This audio cable, this subwoofer, IC type. This audio out left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show the head unit. You can check this back of head unit. There are radio antenna, this 4G, this GPS, this audio connection, USB and the other connection. This power, this fuse, this 12 voltage. Okay, let me connect power. The head unit will be started. Okay. You can check this front Android head unit. They are built in the microphone and the receptacle. Microphone and receptacle. This back volume. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay. Okay, you can check the color, SIM color. Also, you can all settings are here. Very fast response. You can check the display, SIM style, 1, 2, 3. There are total 8 SIM style. Okay, change that. Okay. It's 8 SIM style. Okay. You can connect to the Wi-Fi. You can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Let me check the other settings. It's Android 11 system. And memory, you can check. There are total 8 GB. And storage, total 122 GB, 122 GB head unit memory. And about device, Android 11 system, and DDR 8 GB, and memory 128 GB. This is factory settings. And you can change the boot logo. Others, you need to set the brake with 0. If not, you can't watch video. Brake set the 0 and save the system. Save the settings. Okay, it's built in the radio. You can check the radio. And built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. This auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It supports all iPhone wireless Apple CarPlay. This DSP amplifier. Okay, that's all. You can visit our website belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website to contact us. It's Tesla style screen. Okay, that's all. Thank you.